Hi, I'm Ryan Bloom for SABER Grills. I've been cooking on different barbecues and grills for over a decade, and I have to tell you, after trying 25 different types of grills, I believe fundamentally that the SABER infrared grill is the best value proposition on the market today. In terms of performance to price, there is nothing that beats it. Here are a few of the reasons why. First of all 304 commercial grade stainless steel. Won't rust, stands up to hot, stands up to cold, regardless of the climate of where it is. Second thing is, all welded material. Everything is done with beautiful joints, beautiful finishing, and by doing a lot of welding, they reduce the number of parts, which makes assembly much easier and requirement of parts in the future diminished. The grilling grates are heavy-duty, commercial-grade 304 stainless steel. They retain tremendous heat. It's an incredible searing and easy non-stick surface to cook on. But at the heart of SABER's performance is the infrared grilling system. Now, most people looking at SABER will probably be coming from a traditional barbecue, a Weber, a Napoleon, a Vermont castings, which comes from a very traditional way of grilling. They all work on the same premise: a burner, a system to deflect the heat, and then a grill grate. But as we all know, greatest cooking performance comes from maximum heat in the grill with contact with what you're cooking. So very often on the traditional grilling system, a lot of the heat, a lot of the energy of the grill is used to heat air. And dry, hot air dries out food. SABER's system is completely different. It actually is infrared and therefore locks in all the juice, humidity, and moisture in the food that you're cooking. They're actually able to accomplish greater results with an 8,000 BTU burner than some grills with 20 or 25,000 BTU burners. And it's all about the efficiency. BTUs simply means how much fuel you're consuming or using per hour. It tells you nothing about the performance or the effectiveness. At the heart of SABER's technology is this patented emitter plate. This is what traps all of the heat coming off the burner, and as you can see, there are air holes built into it. These air holes line up directly with the heavy-duty commercial-grade stainless steel grilling surface. This is what packs all of the heat into your grill. This is what prevents flare-ups. This is what prevents heat loss escaping into the air, especially when you open the lid of your grill. This is what gives you complete and even cooking on every square inch of the grilling surface. The heat has nowhere else to go. It's trapped. All it can do is spread evenly up and down the grill grates. So the idea in the past of hot spots and cold spots is an impossibility with SABER's technology. Another one of SABER's innovative features is the secondary cooking surface. Allows you great warming or roasting up at the top. If you're not using it and you need a little bit more access to the back of your grill, it simply hooks in here and disappears. Now, if you do need closer to grill warming or closer to grill roasting, it also has a secondary position, unlike other grills, where you can be just an inch above the grilling surface. One of the incredible features of SABER grills is the fact that it is true zonal cooking. There are 4 completely independent cooking zones on this grill. Same thing if you have a 2-burner or a 3-burner model, each zone is independent. It allows you to cook at the temperature you want on the zone that you're in. So for example, if I want to be at maximum temperature here at about 900 degrees for searing my steaks, I can, while lightly grilling asparagus or vegetables here at lower temperatures, and there's no risk of cross-pollination of temperature. So it really does give you incredible performance for whatever you're cooking, even if you're cooking lots of different types of foods at the same time. One of the key benefits of SABER's infrared cooking system is a really short preheat time. This is ready to go in under 10 minutes, whether you're going to 700 degrees, 305, low, medium, high, it doesn't really matter. It is ready to cook when you are. SABER's infrared technology allows you to use this grill with incredibly high performance even when it's cold. At -10 degrees, this will go from 0 to 700 degrees in under 10 minutes. There's no grill I've ever tried that can do that. Even when it's cold, even when it's windy, you can get incredible results cooking with the lid open with the SABER because you're not losing your heat to the air, you're trapping all of the heat into the grill itself. One question we always get from consumers is, how do I clean my grill? How do I protect my investment? Well, SABER's engineers really thought that question through with great detail. It's super, super easy. When I finish my cook, I simply put my burners onto high for about 5 minutes with my lid down. That will vaporize out almost all of the remaining juices or food that could be on the grilling surface. Once the grill is cool, I just brush down the grates lightly with this new SABER Cool Clean nylon brush. That's all you have to do. Now, I personally use my SABER at home 3 or 4 nights a week. Once in a while, I'll check in my front-loaded drip pan to see if there's any juices or any drippings. There are barely ever any to clean there, so that's a nice feature. Grill stays really clean. What I do, once every, let's say, 8 to 10 uses, I take the time, and we're not talking about a lot, it's a couple of minutes, to take the emitter plate off, and I brush it down over when it's cool, and I brush it down over a garbage can or over a box. That means that this stays clean and allows for maximum heat to go from the burner up through the emitter plate and into the grill and ultimately to your food. I want to share with you a few remaining points of why I love and support SABER products. First of all, they make various sizes and various models to fit all different types of budgets and all different types of physical spaces. From a small condo to feeding an army, SABER has a model for you. Second of all of the sizes are the same on each model. Part of SABER's brilliance is their simplicity. All of the grill grates are the same size in every model. They use very few parts that are different from model to model. So keeping parts or getting parts as necessary, really, really easy. Second thing, assembly. It assembles way faster than most traditional grills. This grill can be built in about 20 minutes with just a few tools. It basically comes almost fully assembled. Last is service. It doesn't require a lot of maintenance, just a basic cleaning, keep it running well. That's all you need to do for years and years of world-class cooking performance. I'd like to share with you a personal note about warranty. Every grill company out there has warranties on their product, as does SABER. Their warranty is spectacular. But beyond warranty, beyond a number of years or the type of parts, are the fundamentals of the people involved behind the product. From my experience working with SABER for the last 5 years, I can tell you with absolute certainty, these are incredible people who take great care and time and passion to put out the best possible products they can. And in every single case, they have demonstrated time and time again that they stand behind their products. They care so much about the consumer experience that you will know at any time, whether you're a consumer or a dealer, that SABER has your back.